Hello everyone. Do you want to capture leads and build your audience? Then join me in this tutorial as I demonstrate how to create an effective sign-up form using Mailchimp in 2023. Learn how to encourage user engagement and grow your subscribers list more. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So obviously guys, what I will need you to have first is a Mailchimp account. You can easily create one simply by heading to mailchimp.com as you can see in this URL. Just ignore the first part and go to mailchimp.com. Then create an account using your email. You can sign in using Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, and Apple accounts. Now, once you open your account, it will be something similar to this. So what you'll have to do is click on create, and here you will find a bunch of options as email, website, landing page, creative assistance, and here some other things as sign up form, which is the thing that we are going to go for in this video. Now, there is three kind of sign up form. There is embedded form, pop-up form, and sign up landing page. Let's check each one of these. So first of all, sign up form or the embedded form is going to be something similar like that. So it will only require an email, as you can see, and it will be used as an email for marketing and advertising for new product that you have on your company. So it's going to be a pop-up screen just like that, and it will be shown to the visitors. There's the pop-up form as well, sign up landing page. So these all are different kind. So let's start, for example, here with sign up landing page. So here, let's name the landing page name as sign up. And then I'm going to choose these audience and then click on begin. Now let's wait a little bit that we have to accept their conditions and choose their template. So here we have a bunch of templates that we can go for. So I'm going, for example, for this one, simple one and easy to use. And here we go. So here we can just wait. And as you can see, everything I hover on the top of it is actually adjustable. Let's start here with the logo. So for the logo, you can simply click on here to style it. Here you can replace the image, link it to like for example, if someone clicks on it, it's going to be take them to a link. Here you can play with the settings. So let's start with replacing this photo. First of all, I'm going to search for Mailchimp logo, PNG. Here we go. Let's get this one, download. And then I'm going to click on replace. Click on upload, and then let's upload this image. And as you can see, it has been added successfully. Here, if you want to make the display size a little bit smaller, just drag this, and as you can see, it becomes fitting in this section. Here, I'm going to change this to text that I want. So here, make sure to get every use and add like so, and I can like adjust this, add like that, change the color if I would like to. Here we go. And now you can simply just add the style if you'd like, play with the settings, add multiple columns like text here and the text here. Do whatever you'd like. It is completely up to you. Here for the color, as you can see, I can adjust the background. So I'm going to keep it white. And here, instead of having like a blank background, you can add an image. So this is what these things are for. Also, if you didn't like see it already, if I remove this, so here we go, here we go, here we go, and finally, here we go. You can literally add and adjust everything in this page from scratch. As you can see here on my right hand, there is multiple amounts of blocks as text, box text, divider, image card, social follow, share, discount code, button, product, image text, image, gallery, sign up form, and the video. You can literally add all of these to this page and design it as you like. For example, you can add first a video over here. Later on, you can add the link. You can also, let me just go back and add something else in another place. So save and close. Here I'm going, for example, to add a text. Here we go. Save and close. I'm going to add here an image and so go on. So this is how it totally works. So you can add multiple images in the same body. Here we go, save and close. Add product over here if you have any products in your Mailchimp account. For example, you can have your, um, let's see it here. So discover. You can have your Shopify account connected to your Mailchimp, which is simply by connecting the two platforms. Basically, once you connect them, if you have any like products on your Shopify, they will be shown in here so you can list them in this sign up image or platform or landing page, or whatever you call it. And guys, once you feel like you are done, you can simply close it through here. So save and close, as you can see here in the bottom of the page, and the template shall be shown for you over here. So this is the sign up page, and this is how it's gonna look like. Since I have it empty, it doesn't have that much of stuff. So now I can click on publish, and it will obviously be published to everyone. So now here it is. If I clicked on it, we can't find that page. It looks like you're trying to reach a page. Since it is empty, it will not really be working. So unless you had it full of stuff, it will perfectly be working for you. So now it is empty for me. That's why it didn't work. And this template, you can simply connect it to your Shopify account, connect it to your WordPress account, connect it to multiple accounts that you have. And this is one of the templates that they have here. So if I clicked on sign up landing pop-up form, I can begin and they will give me another form, which is a pop-up form, as you can see. So the same thing goes for this one. I can adjust everything, add boxes, replace stuff. As you can see here, let's save changes as you can see. Save and publish. And now let's try it out. So now it is being saved. Let's give it some time. All changed are being saved, and your account has one or more issues that need to be solved. That why the most of the stuff that I'm doing are not correct. Since the first issue that I have with my account is that I don't have any premium version. Since I'm using only the free version, that's a problem that you might face as well, guys. So make sure that you are paying for your account. You don't really have the free version. As you can see, there is so many privileges that you will get only by paying the $12 or $18. Of course, the premium is really expensive, but it is only for the big companies or people who really trust in their work and have a really big community. But for us as beginners, we don't really have to go for anything like that. So a simple thing, a simple $12 plan can be enough for us. And yeah, guys, that was complete yet. Thank you a lot for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.